Hey guys, it is me, Sunburning, and today I'm being playing Undertale. Yay, Undertale. Last time, I went on a date with pirates, and this time we're gonna be going on, and we're gonna be going forward into the journey of Undertale. So that should be fun. We just have to go through here, and we'll be on our way. Okay. I don't wanna go though. There's always ice going up that river. Yep, here are sands. Sands. I'm so afraid of sadness. I want to see if I can go with him again. Let's hang out again sometime. Okay, let's come back later. After we defeat, not telling you what's next, I forgot. Sincerely, a box hater. I did not read a single word of that, and I don't care. Wait, am I able to get pushed out? Nope. I was like, yeah, I could get pushed. I swore I saw something behind the rushing water. I wonder what it is. Huh? There's a camera behind the waterfall. Oh my goodness, someone's spying on us. Someone is spying on us. I wonder what this is though. I found a tutu lying here on the ground. Will you take it? Yeah, I'll take it. You got the old tutu. I want to see if I can wear it. I want to see what info on tutu. Old tutu, armor, defense 10. Finally, a protective piece of armor. It's like, this is a protective piece of armor. Old tutu, use. You could the old tutu. How much does the manly bandana? Armor 7. It has been seen where? Okay. Oh no, I'm almost fell. Wait, I wonder if I could. Can I fall down? No, just there. I was like, can I die? I can die from monsters. Yeah, actually, isn't that hard to escape from? Oh no, there's Papyrus. Who's that? Hi, Undyne. I'm here for my daily report. He seems very scared. Regarding that a human I called about earlier. Huh? Did I fight them? Yes, of course I did. Oh yeah, I think you guys already saw this. I don't know, I forgot. I fought them valiantly. What? Did I capture them? Nah, he didn't capture me. No, not at all. I escaped. First time, the last time I failed over and over again. He let me go anyways. But Undyne, you don't have to destroy them. You see? You see? You see? My eyes, I can see. Can you see, Undyne? I understand. I'll help you any way I can, and something just went off. It's a bomb! I'm gonna move. I went the opposite way. Okay. She turned invisible. He turned invisible. They turned in. I don't know if that's a she or he. I know it's Monster Kid. Yo, did you see the way she was staring at you? No, not really. I was on the other side. That was awesome. Yeah, I'm so jealous. So jealous. What do you get to do to get her attention? Haha. Come on. Let's go watch her beat up some bad guys. And you fall over. You know what's impressive? Each time that he falls over, he's able to get up. I wonder how. A feeling of dread hangs over you, but you stay determined. When 4 bridge seeds align in the water, they will sprout. These must be bridge seeds. And this will be so difficult, guys. This will take me an hour and 25 minutes. Wait, no, this only took me like 30 seconds. Okay, let's keep going. Aaron flexes in. Let's check it. Aaron, attack 24, defense 12. This seahorse has a lot of HP horsepower. A lot of its attacks are harder to dodge at the bottom of the box. Check all you want. The team, I'm gonna die. Seems like I'm gonna die here. Sorry guys. I'm gonna flex with him. You flex. Aaron flexes twice as hard. Attack increases for you by 2. Flexing context. Okay, flex more. Don't hit me. Don't hit me. Please, no, don't hit me. Aaron is ready for your next flex. You flex harder. Aaron flexes twice as hard. Nice. I won't lose though. And oh my goodness, I'm gonna die. I don't wanna die. And I flex. You flex. Aaron flexes very hard. He flexes himself out of the room. You won. Yay! Sorry guys, I just had to do something, but I didn't do anything really. Okay. Let's see what this sign is. I wanna go see. Okay, so I wonder what could be next. Congratulations! You failed the puzzle. Aww. I failed. I failed. If an error is made, the Bell Blossom can call bridge seeds back to where they started. Yay! I want to see what goes this way. And it goes that way. And I want to go that way. And I want to go that way. Oh no, I messed up. I messed up. No. No. I messed up so hard. Okay. I wonder if this does anything. Let's just get these back and now I'm gonna be able to go forward, and now we're gonna be able to go beyond this one place. Freedom! Ring. Ring. Hello, this is Papyrus. How did I get your number? Your number, this number. It was easy. I just dialed every number secretly until I got yours. Yeah. So, what are you wearing? I'm asking for a friend. She thought she saw you wearing a dusty tutu. Is that true? Are you wearing a dusty tutu? Yes, I am wearing a dusty tutu. I like this dusty tutu. So you are wearing a dusty tutu. Got it. Wink, wink. Have a nice day. He just said wink, wink out loud. Long time ago, monsters. Let me just make my webcam not there. A long time ago, monsters would whisper their wishes to the stars in the sky. If you hoped with all your heart, your wish would come true. Now, all we have are these sparkling stones on the ceiling. Wishing room. Thousands of people wishing together can't be wrong. The king will prove that. Come on, sis. Make a wish. Oh no, it's Washua. Shuffles in. Da-da-da-da. Washua. Check. Washua. Washua. Attack 18, defend 5. This humble germophobe seeks to cleanse the whole world. Scrub a dub dub. Don't hit me. Don't hit me. Don't. I'm gonna die. I'm going to die. No. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna. I think I'm gonna die. So I'm gonna eat that. Wash you hands. No. No. I'm not gonna wash my hands. Touch. Clean. Joke. Touch. You reach out. Watch what recoils in your touch. Yuck. Oh, come on. Right where I was. Touch. Clean. I'm gonna clean. You have to watch what clean you. I hope hops around excitedly. No. Give me. Give me. Yay, now I can mercy you that you don't kill me. Thank you. Thank you for oh, I need to read. I wish my sister and I will see the real stars someday. You look through the telescope even though that you're on the opposite side of the telescope. Check the wall. Check the wall. I'm gonna check the walls. Okay. After I check this. Seems my horoscope is the same as last week's. Oh my goodness, the wall. It appeared out of thin air. Thank you guys for watching. This is all I'm gonna be able to do because I wanna do more stuff later. See you guys next time. Bye.